Nick Denny. I'm the CTO of Viafo. We're a small startup, and as you can tell from my accent, we're based in Seattle. We have a way to make your apps better, basically. So firstly, what makes an app good? We want to make it social, interactive, location aware, and local. It's about the individual using the app, not the app itself. I've seen far too many terrible apps which maybe share on Twitter, but all they share is the fact you have the app, not anything useful. There's a lovely Honda CRV app you should take a look at if you want to see how to do it. So why making apps is difficult is this problem. You have lots of different APIs to make apps interesting, and you have lots of different platforms, and you have to code each different platform to each different API multiple times, and it's just a big headache. So what you need is Viafo. We sit in the middle, have a simplified API, handle all the OAuth, so it's simple for you to write the apps and talk to the social networks you need to talk to. So basically, the API is pretty simple. First time the app runs, you'll need to register. It's just a call, no user interaction. And then every time the app runs, you'll want to check what is available to you, because you can control what social networks are available to you from on the cloud, as it were, from our website. So you can turn on and off Twitter or Facebook or Tumblr or whatever. So you get a service discovery call, and then once you're using the app, if the user wants to share something, we have the share verb. So sharing to Twitter, sharing to Facebook. It's basically the same code. And it's all JSON API, and it's cause enabled, so it's very simple to use from JavaScript. So we hope it's simple to use. So how do you get it? You can go to dev.viafo.com. Remember that URL. And also on there we've got some example code in HTML and JavaScript, based on Sencha as well. You can also write native code if you want. It's no problem. But that's just the example code I've got. So briefly, how you go to the dev.viafo.com. You click the Create New App button, and you basically give it a name that's just for your own records, and then you select the different networks you want to connect to. So here I've got Facebook and Twitter, and then you basically get a client ID and a client secret, which you use to talk to us when you register, and the server. Well, it won't say none; it will say an actual server URL. You can also add in RSS feeds there too by clicking the edit button. Come talk to me if you want to know a bit more about that. My documents aren't quite up to date. So, yeah, jQuery, very simple call. Things to remember about this is the Viafo access token there is what you got back from the register call, and the return URL is how you get back the app. So if you're a mobile website, it's just your URL, so window.location. But if you want to use PhoneGap or something like that on Android or iPhone, then you can come talk to me, because you can create an intent on Android and similarly on iPhone. It's a way to get back into your app, so it just works automatically. And this is an example of the sharing call. It's, so the service would be Twitter or Facebook, and the verb is share in this case, but we also have check-in for Foursquare, and some more Twitter verbs as well, like follow and retweet. So you can basically use this bit of code, a couple of variables, you can do lots of different things. So quick demo, we have sample code. It's a lovely Sencha app that hooks into the Flickr stream, and this is the Puppies app. So this hopefully play. There we go. So click on Twitter, it says, oh, you're not authenticated. Click yes, it'll take you to the browser so you can sign in. and then it'll take you back into this PhoneGap app. So we can go, now when you click on the share, you get the download box, you can type something and share to Twitter or Facebook. Very exciting, actually, as you can tell. We also have kittens if you prefer that. And just to show the, was there an or there? We also have the some Twitter functionality. So just to briefly show what's available. If you do a Twitter search for puppies, you do get some very odd results. So be careful about that. And if you do a Google News search for puppies, you also get very depressing stories. But, that's a side effect, I'm afraid. So yeah, we have open a browser, reply, retweet, forward, follow Twitter. That's all through our API. So sign up now at dev.viafo.com, and yeah, this example code. I'm McDenny. You aren't me over there. You can come and harass me and ask me questions about this, or I'm happy to help with JavaScript or Windows Phone 7 development. And most importantly, I also have $100 in cold hard cash for the best app that uses our stuff today, so that might focus your minds, hopefully. Thank you.